how to turn off tags, push notifications on Facebook Lite. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off tags, push notifications on Facebook Lite. First thing, go to Facebook Lite and here just click these three lines in the top corner and go down until you find settings and then notifications, and here click this one, tags, and all you need to do is just one click on here this one, and as you see push notifications have been turned off. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and now see you in the next video.